In terms of the considerations for migrating to the cloud, for those that are maybe on an RPA on-prem solution, what factors should organizations that are thinking of migrating should consider when they think about the overall aspects, including security, data protection, anything else that comes to mind that you've seen has been critical?
First of all, a current state assessment of your existing collection of automations, right? Understanding which ones are adding value, which ones maybe have run their course, and where there's maybe gaps where you need to fill in. So kind of evaluating that workforce. And then understanding how the plan to get from on-prem to cloud in terms of level of effort and complexity. The Automation Anywhere tool accelerates that analysis to understand how compatible the on-prem with the cloud solution will be. In addition to that, in understanding the current environment, it's a good time to take stock of your automations and as they are now, and that you are moving to the cloud, and understand if they're as efficient as they could be. Perhaps you've built some long ago before your technical team or your citizen developers kind of had the skills in place. Gives you a good chance to understand whether those are built the most efficient way. Deloitte has a tool that complements Automation Anywhere's bot scanner called DBot Reviewer that does that for you. And again, ensures that you have the most efficient code there. I think once you've done that, you kind of have a plan around migration, a plan to control the migrations. Once you execute it, kind of how you're tracking those migrations in the life cycle. We're working with a client now that has over 1,000 automations that they're migrating to A360, and tracking where those automations are in the life cycle of redesign, rebuild, and deployment is incredibly important to keep that program organized.